Get the Dammy Glow. Hey glowers, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm priming my face with my Maybelline Baby Kiss primer. I'm rubbing this into my skin because my skin needs to be primed, and so does yours. I'm now taking my LA Girl foundation in the shade Warm Caramel, and I'm just distributing this around my face. I'm now blending. Make sure you really blend that foundation into your skin. You don't want to look patchy. You don't want to look like it's cakey, so you just want to really have a nice flawless foundation look. So blend that foundation in, girls. Make sure you do that. Just keep blending. Now for concealer, I'm taking my 2-in-1 Milani concealer in the shade, I don't know, check the description bar below, I'm gonna link it there. And I'm just blending the concealer once again for some brightness under my eyes. You know, I don't want to be looking boring, I don't want to be looking tired, I want to be looking awake, okay? So we're gonna use that concealer to look awake. My highlighter shade is Ginger, and it's the Nars creamy concealer in the shade Ginger or Biscuit, one of them. Once again, I'm gonna link it down in the description bar below because I really cannot be I can't even remember these shades. Like, what is going on, honestly? But yeah, you want to blend this again. Make sure you really blend your concealer in properly because you don't want to look ashy, you don't want to look weird, you just want to look really nice and really cute. So you want to blend that in. I'm setting my face now, the highlighted areas anyways, with Sacha buttercup powder. That's under my eyes, my eyelids. I'm setting because I don't want to be having, you know, ugly concealer which is creasing. We don't want that. So you want to set your face properly and make sure that your highlighted areas are set so that they don't crease. Spray your face with some MAC Fix Plus spray, tongue twister there. You know, make sure we don't look powdery and we don't look ashy, so that spray is going to really help you. Now we're bronzing our skin, and I'm taking my giant Sunkissed bronzer in the shade Medium, and I'm just bronzing my skin. You know, I want to look bronzy and I want to look like I've got some definition to my face, so I'm just bronzing my skin with that. If you want to have that bronzified look too, then baby girl, you better get your bronzer and bronze your skin too, okay? Yes. So for contour, I'm taking my Zoeva contour palette, my contour spectrum palette actually, and I'm just contouring my face, you know, so I can look crisp, so I can look defined, and I'm cutting and I'm baking under my contour so it can look very sharp and neat. And I'm using my Sacha buttercup once again to do that. So we really want our contour to be, you know, on point, and we just want it to be really straight, so you're going to do that step. It's a Get the Dammy Glow Ofra Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Rodeo, Drive on the cheekbones. Look at that glow, guys. Look at it. Come on. Deep that glow, though. Deep it. If you want to get the Dammy Glow, you really need to, you know, get these popping highlighters that I'm, you know, trying to recommend to you guys, because without these highlighters, honestly, I don't know if your glow's going to pop. Like, I can't lie to you. It might and it might not, you know. It's a 50-50 one. Like, it's a bit techie. But we're just, you know, highlighting our nose. I'm highlighting my nose now because I love, you know, I love when my nose glows. It's just proper cute. Like, it's just a cute look. So if you want a cute little glow nose look, don't know what that means, then you should do that. BH Cosmetics blush palette. I'm taking a pink shade because pink is fun. And pink is my favourite colour. If you didn't know that, you should know by now. So yeah, like, it definitely had to be a pink blush. It was a pink blush thing, like, it was a that. Now I'm going with my second highlighter, Trophy Wife by Fenty Beauty, and I have to say, like, I had to just go in with two highlighters because one highlight is just basic and is boring, and two is just when you want to really blind these haters. So I had to go in with that. If you want to blind your haters, you better go with two highlighters or more. Okay, girls? Now MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC45. Pressing this powder into my skin, dusting away that baked powder on my contour, just making sure that we are looking seamless and well put together. Now it's Cork Dose of Colours on the lips. That's my matte lipstick. And I'm pretty much done after this. So thank you for watching.